Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how can you motivate yourself for study. As you all know, during this time, we are lacking in study. Our study is becoming very difficult during this time. Hardly we are paying attention in that. So here I am back again with my few tips which may help you. So let's start with the first tip, that is acknowledge your resistance and difficult feeling. It may be helpful to keep aside the things and the thoughts which are coming in our mind during that time while we are paying attention in our study. We should avoid uncomfortable chores and tasks during that time. It can give us strength to just focus in a particular thing. So let's move towards my next tip, that is do not run away. Running away from your problems, it is like a race in which you will never win. So remember, do not run away. Try to compromise with your study. And what is the meaning of compromise here? It doesn't mean that you are doing your study without any attention or without any interest. Not at all. Here, compromise means that you will just create a timetable, you will plan that which subject you will do on which day. So that is the way of compromisation we will do for our study to make it easy. So let's move towards the next tip, that is try to understand your study style. So friends, in this universe, each and every person is totally different. So our style would be definitely different. I have seen many students, few of them, they just try to complete their study during the school timing, during their class. And few of them love to do their work at home in their peaceful atmosphere. So that is the way of doing your study. It is totally different person to person because our perceptions are totally different. Our way of thinking is totally different. It totally depends on you that how you want to do your study. So let's move towards to the next tip, and that is do not question your abilities. So friends, never ever underestimate yourself. Do not put yourself down by comparing yourself with others. By this only you will create stress in your mind. Here also I would love to share that I have seen many students, few of them are good in maths, few of them good in social, science. So all have their own choice of subjects. In short, I would like to say that we all are playing our role in this universe, in this society, and even at our home. So don't think that you are a burden or you do not have any ability. You have your own quality. You are unique in this society. So just think positively all the time. So let's move towards the next tip, and that is focus on a single task. It is really important if you are preparing for your exam or for your any test. Distribute your subjects in a week. It can give you strength to just focus in your study and to complete a task very nicely. Also remember, give priority to the work which is really important on a single day. Do not overwhelm yourself with doing multitasking. So let's move towards my last tip, and that is visualize yourself. So friends, make yourself sit down and keep thinking what are you doing at a certain time period. If like you have to think since the starting how much you achieved in any field. if you are achieving, so that is your motivation. So you can keep motivating yourself. You should not demoralize. You should appreciate. You should also watch that how much improvement are you doing. If you are doing any improvement, that is enough for you. These were my tips which I wanted to share with you. Now in the end of this video, I would like to say one more thing. Remember friends, study can be challenging. It can take you out from your comfort zone. So just make yourself positive and keep doing hard work. I hope this video will help you. Bye bye. Take care.